All right, so yeah, we're at Tacos Local. So it is. Here we got some pickled onions. So I put cilantro, onion, put in some pickled red onion on here. Cool. So I got 5 tacos de suadero. So suadero is rib taco. So on top of it, I got some pickled onions, some cilantro and onion. But the suadero is chopped up, grilled. It's just rib meat, but so I got 5 tacos. I'm probably gonna eat like 2, smash 2. But they're right here off Main Street in Barstow. So Barstow don't have a lot of street food, but they have some good food, I guess. This is one of the good spots. The other one is Luna's Tacos. Maybe we'll go there next, but they weren't open today. So I got some green salsa. I got some of this looks like some like kind of like guacamole salsa. It's like creamy. Then I got some salsa, some red salsa right here. Bam, looks good. So let's try one taco without the salsa. Oh, that was good. Let's try it with the red salsa. Usually red salsa is the more spicier one, so we'll try that one first. Salsa got a good flavor. Horchata's good, it's fresh. It's not that Kool-Aid mix horchata. It tastes real fresh. All right, let's try the green salsa. First taco was real good. The salsa was good. All right, so this one's just stacked. The meat's very tender. Very good. But with the lime, let me try to get some more lime out. The lime just brings out the flavor with the fresh tortillas. Something about a taco. I guess a taco is probably the most simplest terms of like probably like a solid street food and a delicacy, you know. Let's try it with this like creamy green like guac salsa or whatever this is. Kind of looks like that Pollo Loco salsa, but look at that. Yeah, the sauce is nice and creamy. Very good. So I knocked down 3 tacos. How many tacos can y'all knock down? I mean, tacos are not big, but I think 5 tacos is good. Anything past 5, I think you're a fat. But other than that, you should be solid. See on the news, people are scared of coming to stands like this, taco stands, because they're saying that they can get sick, or the health department is saying a no. I don't know if you've seen it. I think in Colorado they're pouring bleach and all this stuff, which is, I don't know. That seemed crazy. I never seen that. Seemed probably racial, but I don't know. I've never had a problem with taco stands. Have you? Shut up. I don't even know what happened to my napkin. Oh, I got it. Yeah. I'll say my favorite salsa, probably out of all three, might be the red salsa. It seems like the more spicier one, but yeah, it's very flavorful. So I'm down up. As you see, look, I use more of the red salsa, but I think I'm gonna finish this last one off with the red salsa. Put an extra more lime. Yeah, there's not many options, especially in small towns or like Barstow or like small towns, but like other places, you might have like Korean street food or Asian or Eastern street food, and also a lot of Mexican street food. But this is still really good. Right here, I'm not sure it's surrounded, but mine's a little sketchy, I guess. But it's busy too, right off Main Street. But you got like, I guess like locals mixed with like homeless people and transits, like from probably like bigger cities, like probably San Bernardino and LA. They come up here. They can't find jobs, whatever, so now they're homeless. But I don't know, it's a hard thing. But yeah, the food was fire. 5 tacos, no problem. Tortillas fresh. The suadero tacos here are really good. That's probably like my favorite taco, to be honest. Other than that, yeah. So as you see, it's packed. It's getting packed. A lot of people come here. I don't know. Everybody seems to like this. Oh man. All right. So as you see, in the area, it's pretty sketchy. I mean, it's not a lot of lights. All the buildings look ran down. There's a lot of homeless, a lot of drug addicts in the area. So it is a little sketchy, but I mean, it's, I don't know. You just can't walk around like that. Like, I don't know. Everywhere is sketchy, I guess. Everywhere has a sketchy part, unless you live in San Clemente or a nice rich area. So the food is very good, but it's in the center of and Main Street, right across from Cleaners. I don't know if you look it up, Taco Locos on Instagram, you'll find it. But yeah, the food was good. Food is solid. Yeah, you're gonna have a lot of transients and weirdos screaming and stuff, but that's what drugs do, and mental illness, of course. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, I hope you liked it, and yeah, I'll see you next time.